Hello everyone and welcome to video 84. It's Noah and Bill. Can you say hi? Hi. Today we are going to be reading Peppa Pig in the Silly Sniffles. You can look at, you can look at that one. Yeah, we're going to start reading those books too. Yeah, if you give, that one's, if you give Moose a muffin, but we're going to be looking at the other ones, if you give a mouse cookie and all that, so that'd be fun. But right now we're going to be looking at this. The Peppa Pig series. So this is Peppa Pig in Silly Sniffles. Yeah. By Neville Astley and Mark Baker. Ready? Isn't that funny? Peppa Pig and Susie's sheep are playing store. Susie's sheep stocks the shelves. Peppa takes the money. This is a fun job, says Peppa. I'm gonna give you a job soon. Danny Dog is their first customer. Hello, could I have some cookies, please? We don't have any cookies. We don't have any cookies, says Susie, but we have a toy telephone. Candy Cat is next. May I have a loaf of bread, please? We don't have any bread, says Susie, but here's a toy house. More and more customers come in. Rebecca Rabbit buys a carrot. Zoe Zebra asks for apples. And Susie and Peppa sell her a toy truck. Being a shopkeeper is hard work, says Peppa. Pedro Pony comes in next. No. Achoo! Sniff, sniff. Cough, cough. Pedro has the sniffles. Poor Pedro. Peppa and Susie don't have anything in their shop for him. Susie says, Peppa, let's play a new game. We can help Pedro feel better. You're funny. Peppa and Susie go to their dress-up boxes and change into their new outfits. Then Dr. Peppa and Nurse Susie go to work. Let's have a look, Pedro, says Dr. Peppa. Peppa examines the patient. Oh, this is serious, she says. What should we do? Asked Nurse Susie. What do you think? What do you think she should do? Peppa has an idea. She knows just what to do to make Pedro better. How's that, Pedro? Asked Susie. Cough, cough. Don't worry, Pedro, says Peppa. I have another idea. Are you feeling better yet, Pedro? Asked Susie. Achoo, achoo. Cough. Not yet. Achoo. Oh, he looks bad. Okay, I have an extra special treatment, says Peppa. Great idea, Peppa, says Susie. You're a very good doctor. Achoo! Sniff, sniff. Cough, cough. Oh no. Peppa and Susie try again. They are giving Pedro a cast. But Peppa, says Pedro, I don't have a broken leg. I have the sniffles. Achoo! Sniff, sniff. But everyone wants to see and sign Pedro's cast. Candy Cat draws a flower. Danny Dog draws a parrot. Zoe Zebra draws Mr. Potato. Dr. Peppa draws a muddy puddle. Oh, I think I have the sniffles too, says Candy Cat. Can you help me, Dr. Peppa? Yes, me too, says Danny Dog. I need a cast. Why are you eating that for? Silly. Everyone wants Dr. Peppa to help. That's funny. Right? Everyone wants her to help. Must be nice. I still have the sniffles, says Pedro, but I feel much better. Thank you, Nurse Susie. Thank you, Dr. Peppa. Isn't that funny? That's awesome. So that was Peppa Pig in the Silly Sniffles. Yeah. Wow. So anyways, guys, yeah, that was video 84. Check out all our books that we have coming up and the ones we've already done. like and share our Facebook page, our group here, and our Instagram, as well as subscribe to our YouTube. All the links are right there for you. Just hit the buttons. One thing I'm also doing is just I'm reading books on my own about different disabilities and conditions and things, and then talking about them. So feel free read those books as well. Read along with me. That'd be great. And or comment on any of them. Tell me your thoughts, your comments, that sort of thing. So today I started a book. I've already read it once, but I started reading it again. Why I Jump. It's by a 13-year-old Japanese boy, or he was 13 at the time, and he has ASD, or he's got autism. So he talks about why he does things and things. So maybe we get a little look into his world. So, anyways, check it out. Yeah, and then we'll see you tomorrow. Otherwise, right? Can you say goodbye? Bye. Bye. It'll be a busy weekend, right? But we'll do it. All right, guys. See you next time.